He's not miniature.
He likes to keep it when it gets it.
They make miniature Jack Russell. That's what he is.
Go in the water. Go way out.
And they make miniatures.
He went the wrong way. He has to swim a long way.
Trying to spend more time with him outdoors. He's had enough.
You can throw it over the bridge now? No, I'm sure it's over. Oh my God, don't shoot. Good dog. Go, go, go. Do you have a life vest?
Grab the life vest.
Dog.
Jack Russell will do this until they get too tired and they'll drown.
Man, you're gonna make him work hard.
He wants to work hard. Dad, he wants to stick. He'll go swim and get it.
Yeah, but now you can't see it. It went too far.
Hey, whoa, 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 where are you going? Good.
Stop when I can't see him. He will come back when he knows I can't see him.
You see, he went too far.
Did you miss it?
There he goes.
Get the stick, killer.
Can't find it.
Did you lose it?
It's over there.
Now we've got to throw some rocks at it so he knows where it is. Killer. Where's that? Right there, killer. Killer.
I'm going to throw the egg in there.
There, he's got it.
No, yeah.
Not further, killer. Not further.
No, over there. Daddy, there's eggs. Over there. Dad, look, eggs. Right there.
All right. Don't throw any more. He'll see it.
Are these puppies?
I don't know who laid those eggs. He didn't, though.
It's a duck egg.
Those are duck eggs.
Just put him down, buddy.
Killer, jump behind you.
Duck's gonna get mad.
Really?
That's an egg?
There's another stick right here. Why don't you give him that stick?
Are you a doofus? Killer.
Throw that stick.
Right there, killer.
Oh, that's perfect. Daddy, why you throw that stick? This has got a stick.
He'll get it.
Good job, doggy. Good job. Cool. I wonder if you can skip rocks. Yeah, so watch me try to skip. Yeah, look at there's another one down there. Oh, doggy, he jumps in the water.
Don't throw anymore because he thinks those are sticks too.
Why does he have a stick in the middle of it?
No. Let the owner get it.
Let it go.
Jump in the water, doggy, jump.
Killer. Stop. Get out. Stop. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Throw it out there really far.
Mommy, you be here.
Are you going to cross the creek now?
Why does she always run that way?
Well,
After that rock side?
Huh?
Isn't that where that rock side?
Yeah.
Where'd it go?
Kill it. It's out there in the beach. Get it.
Somewhere
Get
right
it.
there.
You can find
Right
it.
there, right there.
You can get it.
I forgot where it's going. It's the wrong way.
Just throw one at a time. Don't throw a whole bunch of them.
And unfortunately,
Right there.
they drain out the extinguish of the light
Not in over here.
for the rice farm.
Good boy.
Has the fish ever bitten?
Huh?
Has the fish ever bitten?
Not that I know of.
4 years.
He must have bit him, but you don't know.
I would not know if he's been before. He hasn't told me anything.
Does he go like this?